answer? When I speak, when I wanted to speak, your lordship prevents me.
You please sit down.
No, well, engagement with the Honorable Chief Justice, what I wanted to say.
You please sit down. I'll have to have you removed from.
Lordship doesn't respect me. I won't will leave.
Please call the security people. Have him removed from the court, please.
I only want to answer.
You will not say anything. You will not speak to the gallery. You will listen to me. I'm in charge of my courtroom.
গতকাল সুপ্রিম কোর্টের প্রধান বিচারপতির বেঞ্চে নিট এক্সাম হিয়ারিং চলাকালীন বিচারপতি একজন আইনজীবীর কাছে কিছু প্রশ্নের উত্তর জানতে চাইছিলেন। ঠিক সেই সময়ই অন্য একজন আইনজীবী উঠে দাঁড়িয়ে বিচারপতিকে কিছু বক্তব্য পেশ করতে চান। বিচারপতি তখন তাকে অনুরোধ করেন যে আপনি এই সময়ে কিছু বলবেন না, অন্য আইনজীবী যে উত্তরগুলো দিচ্ছেন তার উত্তরগুলো দেওয়ার পরে আপনি কিছু কথা থাকলে সেটা জানাবেন। তখন সে আইনজীবী বিচারপতিকে বলেন যে তিনি সিনিয়র মোস্ট লয়ার এই প্যানেলের। তখন প্রধান বিচারপতি তাকে বলেন যে আপনি বসুন, আপনি এইভাবে ইন্টারাপ্ট করতে পারেন না, অন্য একজন আইনজীবীর কাছে আমি কিছু প্রশ্ন রেখেছি, তার কাছে আমি উত্তর নেব, আপনার কাছে নয়। তো এই সময় প্রধান বিচারপতির সাথে ওই আইনজীবীর অর্থাৎ মিস্টার ম্যাথিউজের একটা বাক বিতণ্ডা হয় এবং শেষমেশ প্রধান বিচারপতি তাকে ওয়ার্নিং দেন যে আপনি যদি চুপ করে না বসেন তাহলে কিন্তু আমি সিকিউরিটি ডেকে আপনাকে বের করে দিতে বাধ্য হব। তো এছাড়াও সেখানে কি হয়েছিল অ্যাকচুয়ালি সেইটা আপনারা পরবর্তী ভিডিওর অংশতে দেখে নিন।
Based on material which we have today, but on the hypothesis that some material in the future may show that the leak had gone beyond Hazaribagh and Patna, therefore today we cancel the exam on the basis of hypothesis.
May I answer, my lord?
May not happen in future.
May I answer? When I speak, when I wanted to speak, your lordship prevents me.
You please sit down.
No, I'm among the senior, among the lawyers here, I am the senior most.
Sorry, you're not an amicus. I have not appointed.
No, I'm appearing for 16 students.
Okay.
When I wanted to speak, the Honorable Chief Justice prevent me from speaking.
Mr.
And I have an answer.
He is arguing. You will not interrupt him when he's
I'm not interrupting, but I have an answer to say. I have an answer to give.
You don't answer my question. He's answering the question.
Okay, then it's a general question. It's a general question. No, I'm not interested in engagement with the Honorable Chief Justice. What I wanted to say.
You please sit down. I'll have to have you removed from the court. You please sit down. I'm warning you. I'll have to have you removed from the court.
Your lordship doesn't respect me. My own will leave.
Mr. Matthews, I'm telling you one very simple thing. Mr. Huda is engaged in a...
Your lordship have tried every best to allow me to speak and follow my convention.
To intervene.
I'm not intervening, I'm leaving.
Yes.
But one thing is said, I wanted to say, I wasn't allowed to speak.
Yes, Mr.
When I was speaking, your lordship was showing the other side.
Yes,
and I have only one word to say. Only one word leaving.
Mr.
One word to say.
Please call the security people. Have him removed from the court, please.
I only want to answer.
You will not say anything. You will not speak to the gallery. You will listen to me. I'm in charge of my courtroom.
Listening.
You just keep quiet now. Yes, Mr. Huda. Yes, Mr. Huda. Yes, Mr. Huda.
I'm leaving.
Yes, Mr. Huda.
Unfair.
Yes, Mr. Huda.
Wait, please.
This is not a judicial.
Mr. Matthews, I will now be constrained to issue something which is very unpleasant. Please keep quiet. Sit down here. You want to leave? It's your choice.
I'm leaving.
You don't have to. You do not have to intervene. You don't have to tell me that you are leaving. Yes.
No, because I sought permission. I sought permission to speak.
Matthews, you will not interrupt Mr. Huda. I will hear you, but I'll hear you after Mr. Huda is done. I am in charge of procedure in this court, and I've seen this. I've seen the judiciary for the last 24 years. I will not allow any lawyer to dictate the procedure of the court. I will give you a full hearing, but after Mr.
All right. I have been judiciary since 1979. Since 79.
May I, my lord, this is contemptuous.
What you are talking?
My response is, my lord, straight away.
I am leaving.